Juicy homemade sausages with cheese inside, and they are easier to make than you think. Today we are making homemade grilled cheese sausages using pork, simple seasoning and plenty of cheese. First we need to prepare the sausage casings. Soak them in water for a little while until they soften up. Once they are soft, rinse them at least 2 or 3 times and change the water too. That helps remove excess salt. It's best to rinse them both from the outside and inside, ideally under running water. Now let's green the meat using a medium greening plate. We used pork shoulder with little pork belly for extra flavor and juiciness. Add salt, black pepper, ground caraway seeds, and grated garlic. Now mix everything together really well so all those flavors get evenly combined. At this point, it already smells amazing. Because mixing with your hands warms the meat up, we will cool it back down using crushed ice. Just mix it in really well. Cold meat gives you a much better sausage texture, so this little trick makes a big difference. Cut the cheese into small cubes. Not too tiny because we still want cheesy bites inside the sausages. Add it straight into the meat mixture. Add a little ground nutmeg for extra aroma and mix everything together one last time. Simple ingredients, but together they make such a good homemade sausage. Before adding the casing, make sure the stuffing tube is wet or lightly greased. If it's dry, the casing can stick and tear really easily. Now carefully slide the casing onto the tube. Don't tie it yet, we want the air to escape first before we start filling. Add the meat mixture into the stuffer and slowly push until the meat starts coming through. Then gently pull the casing forward and tie a knot. Take your time here. Slow and steady works best and helps avoid air bubbles inside the sausages. We are ready to start filling the sausages. They shouldn't be too tight, but also not too loose. Now it's time to portion the sausages. Using both hands, gently and slowly press the sausage on both sides to the size you want. Be careful not to squeeze too hard or too fast, otherwise the casing can burst. Once you feel the meat move away and only the casing is between your fingers, twist it. One sausage towards you, the next one away from you. And again, gently press, twist towards you, then the next one away from you. That helps keep them nicely separate without unraveling. Transfer the sausages into a sealed container and let them rest in the fridge for 24 hours. This helps all the flavors combine together beautifully. The next day they are ready for the grill. We lightly brush them with oil so the casing wouldn't crack while cooking. We used an electric grill with heat from both sides so there was no need to turn them. But you can use an electric grill, gas grill, or charcoal grill, whatever works best for you. And look at that! Do you see how many sausages with beautiful color and crispy skin? Serve them with your favorite vegetables, fresh bread, Dijon mustard, horseradish, or anything you love. These are perfect for grilling season and honestly so worth making at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy homemade food.